Ever wondered how computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed? That's the magic of machine learning. And if you're thinking of diving into this exciting field with Python in 2025 or 2026, you're in the right place. We'll break down what it is, how to get started, and whether it's still a worthwhile journey. Let's get into it. Welcome! In this video, we'll explore why machine learning with Python is a highly relevant skill to learn for 2025 and 2026. This content is for aspiring data scientists, developers, and anyone curious about leveraging AI. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your journey and understand the immense benefits of mastering this field. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data. Instead of writing specific rules for every possible scenario, we feed algorithms large data sets, and these algorithms learn patterns and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. From recommending your next favorite movie to powering self-driving cars, machine learning is all around us. So, why Python? Well, Python has become the go-to language for machine learning due to its simplicity, extensive libraries, and a large and supportive community. Libraries like scikit-learn provide ready-to-use algorithms, while TensorFlow and PyTorch are powerhouses for deep learning. Plus, Python's readable syntax makes it easier to learn and experiment, which is crucial when you're starting out. Ready to jump in? Here's a roadmap for getting started in 2025 or 2026. You don't need to be a Python expert, but a solid understanding of fundamental concepts like variables, data structures, and control flow is essential. There are tons of free online resources to get you started. Focus on libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization, and scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms. Understand key concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, classification, regression, clustering, and model evaluation. Many online courses and tutorials cover these topics. Theory is great, but applying your knowledge is crucial. Start with small, manageable projects using publicly available datasets. Platforms like Kaggle offer datasets and competitions to practice your skills. As you become more comfortable, consider exploring deep learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch, natural language processing, NLP, or computer vision, depending on your interests. The field of machine learning is constantly evolving. Follow blogs, research papers, and online communities to stay up to date with the latest advancements. Now, the big question, is learning machine learning with Python still worth your time in 2025 or 2026? Absolutely. The demand for machine learning professionals continues to soar across various industries, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and manufacturing. As data becomes increasingly abundant, the need for individuals who can analyze and extract insights from that data will only grow. Furthermore, the tools and resources available are becoming more accessible than ever before. Speaking of getting started, if you're looking for a comprehensive guide to take you from the fundamentals to practical application, be sure to check out my new Udemy course, Machine Learning with Python, From Theory to Practical Labs. It's designed to equip you with the skills you need to succeed. You'll find the link to the course in the description below. While the opportunities are immense, it's important to acknowledge the challenges. Machine learning can be complex, requiring a strong understanding of both programming and mathematics. Ethical considerations surrounding bias in data and algorithms are also increasingly important. And as mentioned before, continuous learning is essential to stay relevant in this rapidly evolving field. So, if you're looking for a challenging and rewarding field with immense potential, learning machine learning with Python in 2025 or 2026 is definitely a path worth exploring. With dedication, consistent learning, and hands-on practice, you can become a valuable contributor to this exciting technological landscape. And don't forget to check out my Udemy course for a structured learning experience.